If you love helping others learn, enjoy explaining tricky topics, and want to make a difference through teaching, starting a tutoring business could be a great fit for you. Whether it's helping students understand difficult subjects, reach their academic goals, or discover a love for learning, tutoring gives you many ways to share your skills. The best part? You can turn this passion into a fulfilling business, doing what you enjoy every day. In this guide, we'll take you step by step through everything you need to know to start your tutoring journey. First, let's look at the main benefits of becoming a tutor. Tutoring can be very rewarding because you get to see the positive impact you have on students. Watching them improve, gain confidence, and achieve their goals brings a strong sense of accomplishment. You'll know that your work is making a real difference in their lives, which can make your job feel more meaningful and fulfilling. Seeing a student go from struggling with a subject to mastering it because of your help gives you a great feeling of pride and purpose. This personal connection and positive feedback make tutoring a satisfying and enjoyable career. One of the biggest advantages of being a tutor is the ability to set your own schedule. You can choose when and where you work, making it easy to fit tutoring around your life. Whether you prefer to work in the mornings, evenings, or weekends, you have the freedom to decide. You can also choose how much or how little you want to work. Whether you're looking for a full-time career or just part-time hours, tutoring offers the flexibility to balance your work with other responsibilities, hobbies, or personal time. Tutoring not only helps your students grow, but it also helps you develop and improve. As you explain topics and answer questions, you deepen your own understanding of the subject. Teaching others can also sharpen your communication, problem-solving, and leadership skills. Every student is different, so you'll learn to adapt your teaching methods to fit their needs, making you more flexible and creative as a tutor. This continuous learning process boosts your confidence, enhances your expertise, and helps you grow both personally and professionally. Scalability is a major benefit of starting a tutoring business because it allows you to grow and expand your services over time. Once you establish a solid foundation, you can reach more students by moving online, which opens up opportunities to tutor people from different locations. You can also hire other tutors to help you manage the workload, allowing you to take on more clients without sacrificing quality. Additionally, you can expand into new subjects, attracting a wider range of students and increasing your income potential. This ability to scale means you can start small and gradually build a larger, more successful business that can adapt to changing needs and demands. While there are many advantages to starting a tutoring business, it's also important to consider some potential challenges that come with it. Student motivation can be a con in tutoring because it directly affects the learning process. If a student is not motivated, they may struggle to engage with the material, making it difficult for you to teach effectively. This can lead to frustration for both you and the student, as progress may be slow or limited. Additionally, low motivation can result in inconsistent attendance or lack of participation during sessions, which can impact the overall effectiveness of your tutoring. As a tutor, you want to see your students succeed, but working with unmotivated students can challenge your ability to achieve that goal and may require extra effort on your part to inspire and encourage them. Irregular income is a significant downside of tutoring because it can complicate your financial planning. Unlike a traditional job with a fixed salary, your earnings can fluctuate greatly depending on how many students you have and how many hours you work. This unpredictability makes it harder to create a budget, especially when unexpected expenses come up. If you experience a drop in students or some clients decide to discontinue tutoring, it can lead to financial stress. This lack of consistent income can create uncertainty and anxiety, making it challenging to save for the future or invest in your business. High competition is a significant challenge in the tutoring business because many tutors offer similar services in well-demanded subjects. This abundance of options makes it harder to stand out and attract students. Potential clients can easily compare different tutors, which often leads to price wars and pressure to reduce your rates to remain appealing. Moreover, you'll need to dedicate time and effort to effectively market yourself, whether through social media, local ads, or networking. Building a strong reputation is crucial, and without it, gaining clients can be tough. Now it's time to talk about the essential tools and resources you'll need to succeed in the tutoring business. Subject knowledge is essential for becoming a tutor because it allows you to effectively explain concepts and help students understand the material. When you have a strong grasp of the subject, You can answer questions confidently and provide clear examples that make learning easier. This knowledge also enables you to identify areas where students may be struggling and tailor your teaching approach to address those specific challenges. Additionally, being well-versed in the subject allows you to foster a deeper understanding and appreciation for the material, which can inspire and motivate your students. One of the most important things you need as a tutor are strong teaching skills. These skills enable you to connect with students and facilitate their learning effectively. With good teaching skills, you can clearly explain concepts and break down challenging topics into simpler parts, making it easier for students to understand. Being adaptable in your teaching approach is also crucial, as different students have varying learning styles. Some may thrive with visual aids, while others might prefer hands-on activities or verbal explanations. Additionally, patience and empathy are key components of effective teaching. They help create a supportive environment where students feel comfortable asking questions and exploring new ideas. Having the right textbooks is important for tutoring because they offer useful information and support for both you and your students. They provide clear explanations, examples, and practice problems that help reinforce what you teach during your sessions. Using up-to-date textbooks ensures you're teaching the most current information and methods in your subject area. This not only boosts your credibility as a tutor, but also helps students feel more confident in their learning. Textbooks can also assist you in creating lesson plans and practice assignments tailored to each student's needs. In some areas, you may need specific qualifications or certifications to run a tutoring business legally. It's important to check with your local education authorities or government offices to get information about any necessary licenses and regulations in your area to ensure you can start your business correctly. In addition, we highly recommend that you register your business legally. Check out our simple guide in the description of this video to learn how you can register a business in each U.S. state. Now that you're starting your tutoring business, having a website is essential for attracting clients and providing information about your services. IKOL is the perfect solution for tutoring businesses. From online payments and bookings to client management and invoicing systems, IKOL provides everything you need to run a successful tutoring operation online. Simply visit ikol.com and click Get Started. Select Service, search for Tutoring. Choose the services you offer and click Continue. Fill out the rest of the information, and your website will be ready to help you manage your clients in just a few minutes. Here's how your website will look. Your clients can easily book tutoring sessions online, and all booking information will sync with your calendar, allowing you to focus on teaching rather than handling administrative tasks. Your clients can also request a quick quotation for specific services, making it easy for you to follow up and gather more details. You'll find this information readily accessible in your Leads tab. Most importantly, your AI-driven chat feature will save you hours by handling inquiries from potential clients and converting hesitant website visitors into informed customers. All of this comes at an affordable subscription, so you don't need to spend thousands of dollars to have a professional website for your tutoring business. Check out our tutorial playlist to learn how to make the most of your IKOL website. Now that your website is up and running, let's explore some effective ways to promote your tutoring services. Local advertising is a great way to reach potential students in your community. Start by creating eye-catching flyers to hang in libraries, coffee shops, and community centers. Reach out to local schools to distribute your flyers in newsletters or on bulletin boards. Participating in community events like fairs allows you to meet potential clients face-to-face and explain your services. You can also place ads in local newspapers or magazines that target families. Partnering with local businesses, such as bookstores or daycare centers, can help you get the word out. Digital ads are a powerful way to promote your tutoring business and reach more people. You can use Google Ads to create targeted ads that show up when potential clients search for tutoring services nearby. Social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram also allow you to create ads based on location, age, and interests. Make sure to use eye-catching visuals and clear messages to highlight your services and any special offers. Retargeting ads can help you reach people who have visited your website before, reminding them about your tutoring services. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting your tutoring business and connecting with potential students. Create profiles on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to showcase your services and share helpful educational content. Post tips, success stories, and engaging visuals to attract attention. Engage with your audience by responding to comments and messages. You can also host live Q&A sessions or webinars to connect directly with potential clients. Joining local community groups on these platforms can help you reach families in your area. Word of mouth is a powerful way to promote your tutoring business. When satisfied students and parents share their positive experiences, it can lead to new clients. To encourage referrals, provide excellent service, and consider offering a discount or incentive for recommendations. Building strong relationships with your students and their families fosters trust, making them more likely to recommend you. Additionally, ask happy clients to leave reviews on your website or social media pages. We hope these tips will help you successfully build your tutoring business. Remember, persistence and creativity are key to attracting students. Good luck on your journey, and we wish you all the best in your tutoring endeavors. IKOL, AI for Business.